Hello, everyone. My name is Antoine McVeigh. I'd like to welcome you to the Liberium Crypto Business Overview. Before I get started, I want to share with you a little bit about me. I'm from Dallas, Texas, born and raised, and I've been involved with cryptocurrency for almost 7 years. I got started with a mentor, a Chinese lady born in Da Nang, Vietnam, but raised in Los Angeles, California, began to teach me about blockchain technology and Bitcoin. This is when Bitcoin was priced around $354 for one Bitcoin. I was all in. I believed, I trust, and I'm so glad that I did. From there, I ended up moving from Dallas, Texas to Asia, where I am currently living in Vietnam, and I've been here now for 4 years. I am all in crypto. And what I mean by all in, meaning I don't have any fiat in the bank. Fiat is considered USD, Vietnam Dong, Korean Won, Thai Baht. That's all fiat. I'm all in digital assets. And when it's time to pay the bills, what we do is evaluate the digital portfolio to decide what digital asset that we want to sell for the fiat. That fiat is then deposited in our bank, and then we can use fiat to pay the bills or go to ATM machine and withdraw funds. I've been living that way for the past 6 years. The business model that I'm going to share with you is the model that I've lived on. It's how I provide. It's how I've grown my digital asset portfolio. Of course, there's different types of crypto models out there, and I think it's important that we talk a little bit about that. You've got the promise to pay type models. Those are the models where you are sending in your money to a company that promise to pay you a certain percentage every day until you get your initial investment back and then make a profit and you can maybe double, triple your money. That's not the business model that I'm sharing with you. There's what's called the mining, where you can mine crypto and earn coins for mining. That's not the business model that I'm sharing with you. There are smart contract models, which are typically 100% recruit driven. That's not the model that I'm sharing with you. This is a model in a company that says, we don't want your money. And I think it's very important for you to understand that. For me, I've got 11 Bitcoin reasons why I don't do promise to pay. And when you understand the math behind the model that I'm going to share with you, you would probably, for the most part, not give away your digital asset as well. But we live in a day and age and a time that I feel that everyone needs to do something. And so before I get into Liberium Crypto, let's talk about a little bit about what's going on in the world today. I mean, US inflation rate is a 40-year all-time high. It hasn't been this high since 1982. That means we need to do something. $1,000 sitting in your savings account, the value is actually $925. 5,000 sitting in the bank, the value is 4,640. 10,000 sitting in the bank, the value is 9,250. You can see the numbers. So although investing in all these different crypto opportunities are risky, there's what I call calculated risk. You see, doing nothing is risky. So everything is risky. Starting a business is risky, right? Getting married is risky. Having kids is risky. So at the end of the day, it's all risky. And if you think trying is risky, wait till you get the bill for not trying. Let me tell you exactly how risky it is. Life itself is risky, and you're not going to get out of it alive. It's all risky. Who would have thought that we would have been in a pandemic and the country would have been shut down for 2 years? Who would have thought that it would be a mandate for us to wear masks? I don't think people really saw that coming, meaning things could happen. You've got Russia invading Ukraine. And because of that, the Ukrainians buy a record sum of Bitcoin. Not only that, Russians are paying up to 20,000 above market rate to buy Bitcoin. This was dated March 1st, 2022. The other one was dated March the 2nd, 2022. So this is recent news. Russian ruble plunges nearly 30% against the dollar. That's why there was record numbers to buy Bitcoin, because the ruble was crashing. What do you think is happening to the US dollar? So to me, we are in a day and age where there's some diversification that needs to take place, and you need to do something. But when you look and understand the business model of Liberium Crypto, the person that shared this video with you, they're not trying to convince you to join. We are sharing knowledge and information with you, and we are looking for people who are looking for us. Let's get right into Liberium Crypto. We're going to discuss the introduction, the initial objectives, the service offering, and obviously the pay options. Let's start with part one. Liberium Crypto, we are a crypto trade execution platform for professional traders and their followers, but we're also a crypto trade execution platform for the non-professional traders who are looking for professionals to copy. We are a software company that provide real crypto trade execution based on professional traders for our subscribers. This is known as social trading. The users maintain possession of their crypto assets 100% of the time. Remember, I share with you, we don't want your money. Liberium Crypto does not want your money. You maintain possession 100% of the time. You are in control of your money 100% of the time. You can set your own stop loss if you want. The objective is to grow and to share the user experience, because at the end of the day, who's in the best position to share the Liberium opportunity than the person that's using it? It's you. So we wanted to provide a platform for the absolute easiest crypto trading on the planet and to gather a massive number of affiliates to grow our customer base. Let's talk about how we're going to do this. First, I think it's important that you understand that our traders are consistently reviewed to ensure high quality trading, which means over time, you could potentially see traders come and go. Why? Because of this statement right here, consistently reviewed to ensure high quality trading. Number two, the trading is commission free from the Liberium Crypto traders, which means the pro traders, they don't have access to how much you're funding your account to begin trading. They don't have access to how much you're trading per trade. They're just leveraging the Liberium Crypto proprietary software to facilitate trades, not only for themselves, but for those who choose to follow them. And guess what? You're going to keep 100% of the trading results. Number four, the company's going to give you options. You can profit from trading yourself, being a trader, copying a trader, and or building a referral base. If you choose to refer others, the company's going to pay you unlimited commissions paid immediately in Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin into the wallet of your choice, which means you don't have to wait on your money. We use compression so that all of the available commission is paid out. Let's talk about our service offering. We have two packages available. We've got our fully automated, which is hands off, and we have trade signals, hands on. Trade signals is a monthly subscription. It's not automated. You have to execute the buy, execute the sell. Fully automated, hands off. You simply purchase, trade tokens. You're going to keep 100% of the trading profits, and users maintain possession of their crypto assets 100% of the time. Now, users can set their own stop loss. You can set your stop loss on all your trades or individual trades. You have that type of control over your money. Remember, your money is in your account on your exchange that no one has access to but you. The proprietary software will simply execute a buy and a sell based on the trader that you select to follow, and that's it. And you're keeping 100% of the profits. So if you set a stop loss at 10%, example, whatever your buy price is, if the market drops 10%, then It will take you out, close you out of that trade, and you lose 10% of your per trade amount. Whatever you set as your per trade amount, you will lose that percentage. The type of trades we're doing: BTC pair trading, USD and USDT swing trades, which is great, not only for bull markets, but for the bear market. BTC pair trading allows us to accumulate more BTC. All right, number 3, Liberium Crypto does not have any fees based on trading, nor are there any volume limits on trades or revenue shared based on volume or profits. When you analyze this business model itself, it's a very clean model. What you need to get started: you got to have a cryptocurrency wallet, and you want to open an account with the cryptocurrency exchange. We're currently working with 4 exchanges: KuCoin, Binance.com, not Binance.us, Binance.com, Kraken, and Gemini. These are the 4 exchanges we are launching with. We will add more in due time. You select your trade token package. You make your payment, and then you connect what's called your API code and your private code from the exchange to the Liberium Crypto proprietary software, so that when the trader initiates a trade, the software can communicate with your exchange where your crypto is and initiate that trade inside your exchange. Okay. And of course, you want to select the pro trader you want to follow. Now, I've got some experience with the traders we are launching with, anywhere from 9 months to up to 5 years. I have experience with these traders. I launched a trading platform a year ago that did very well. It had some flaws, but it had some amazing plus. And what we did in building Liberium Crypto, which is a complete separate company, which we used no code from the previous company, but we said what was good and what is it that we could have done better. And that's what we analyzed. And when I share with you these traders and their numbers, a lot of these traders are experts in BTC pair trading. Well, guess what? In my previous company, we did not offer BTC pair trading. And so the numbers that you're seeing right here, which was the performance of January 2022, this was all USDT swing trades in which their numbers were still phenomenal. But to be able to add the BTC pair trading and allow them to operate and function in the areas where they're just outstanding and amazing, because believe me, even though they trade for the previous company, which still is around, by the way, they were still doing BTC pair trading on their own, just not with the platform. And so Liberium Crypto is giving the traders what they are asking for, what they want. We're launching with BTC pair trading. We're launching with USD and USDT swing trades. And their performance has been just simply amazing. On our website, there will be an Our Traders page where you can see their numbers in real time so that you can read their bio. You can even listen to a video where I interviewed these traders, some of them, and you can decide which trader you want to follow. Here's a snapshot of the back office where you can set up your API key. You can enable the automatic trading. You can select the trader you want to follow. You can enter the amount per trade. You can enable and set your stop loss if you want, and then you can save that information you just put in. The system will let you know if your API keys are connected properly. That will be on your dashboard. And of course, you select the default exchange. Once you enter a trade, you receive an email that lets you know the trader you are following has just made a buy. You can verify on your exchange if the trade was taken. We're happy to have you as a part of the family of traders. We're here to help you every step of the way. When the trader sells, you receive an email. If you are on the signals only package, when you get the email identifying what digital asset was purchased, then you would have to go into your exchange and execute that buy. When you get an email of that trade selling, you would have to go into your exchange and then sell. If you're on the fully automated, it's hands off. Everything is done for you, even while you're sleeping. Here are the trade token packages. This is hands off. Our best value is Liberium. it's 715. It gives you a total of 1,000 trade tokens, which means by purchasing the Liberium package, you receive an additional 40% extra tokens. The next package is Peace, 537. It's 700 trade tokens, and that gave you an additional 30% extra tokens. Justice is 358. That's a total of 400 trade tokens. You received an additional 11.4% tokens. And our standard package is Veritas. It's 179 for 179 trade tokens. A buy and a sell is a total of 1 token. So it's a complete trade that's a total of 1 token. So this is not a monthly subscription. You will see a countdown of your tokens in your back office, and you can rebuy trade token packages whenever you want. If you want trade signals only, that is $69 monthly subscription. You can purchase your trade tokens in Bitcoin, Dogecoin, or Litecoin. These are your options for payments. Keep in mind, trading is risky. And what I like to do now is show you an income calculator, and we could just kind of play with some conservative numbers so you have an idea of the type of income you can earn passively on trading based on the number of trades. And where it says trade size, that is the amount per trade that we have. Very conservative, $75 per trade. And we're saying your estimated profit is 2%. Okay, so if you look where it says estimated profit, this is your net. Okay, the estimated profits that you see here is already factoring in your trade token package price. So that's already been deducted. Looking at the net. So if you purchase the standard Veritas package and you closed all 179 trades at 2%, you're looking at an estimated profit of $89.50. If you purchase Justice, you can see 241. Okay, you can see Peace 513. You can see Liberium 785, because that's 1,000 trades closed at 2%. Just being conservative. And we can play with these numbers. I can change this to $100, and I can change this to 1.5, just to be conservative. You can see the difference. This income calculator I have placed into our corporate Telegram channel, which that link is on the company's website. But very conservative numbers here. Again, the package price has already been deducted. This is your estimated net profits. But we could turn it up a notch. What if you were doing $500 trades at 2%? Not bad numbers, right? Not bad numbers. So when you understand the numbers, you will begin to understand how I'm in a position mentally and based on where I am financially, my age, where I am in my life, on why I don't want to hand over my digital asset, because I don't have to. I'd rather be in control of my own money at all time. And look at the math, look at the numbers. This is how I've been living for the last 5 years on this model through my experience in crypto. So I wanted you to see this so you can have an idea of the type of income that can be earned passively from trading. As with any business, your results may vary and will be based on your individual capacity, work, business experience, expertise, and level desire. There are no guarantees concerning the level of success you may experience. Any testimonies, Examples used are exceptional results, which do not apply to the average purchaser and are not intended to represent or guarantee that anyone will achieve the same or similar results. Each individual success depends on his or her background, dedication, effort put forth, desire, and motivation. Get back with the person that shared this video with you, enroll,